July turned out to be a hot month for the market. Let's bring in Dan Deming of KKM Financial for more on the summer sizzle for the stock market. Dan, investors are still questioning if the market hit a bottom back in June. What signals are you watching?
Well, Angie, I'm not sure if we've hit a formal bottom yet, but I'm encouraged by the general trends as we head into August. And the reason I say that is we're seeing a series of higher highs and higher lows, which has been, I think, a bit more of a foundation when you look at the historical price action that we've seen earlier in the year. I think this serves as a little bit better foundation for the market to propel itself in the second half of the year. So short term, I think we have. There's going to be some back and fill, but nonetheless, it does feel like the general trends are higher as we move towards the second half of the year.
Dan, what will you be watching this week with economic and earnings news on the way?
Well, we got a lot, actually, Angie. Prior to the jobs release on Friday, the PMI data early in the week, I think, is going to be very important. Last week, we did get some, reasonably decent data points coupled with the Fed announcement. And the momentum in the data points right now appears to be shifting a little bit more conducive to the market structures. I mean, the PCE data last Friday was a little disappointing, but overall consumer confidence hung in there. And so PMI data this week, earnings this week, as well as the jobs report on Friday.
Thank you, Dan. Have a great week.
All right. Thanks, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.